Hey guys, what's up? It's me, and today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to solve a 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube. This is a very easy concept, but people may think that 2x2s are easier than 3x3s. But that's not true, because 2x2s are pretty tricky. But once you memorize all the moves, after this video, you'll definitely know how to solve one. So once you get your 2x2 Rubik's Cube, you just want to kind of scramble it up. So look like something like this. Look, it will be all scrambled. What you want to do now is find any white, and for example, there's a white here, right? So, now we're gonna try to get the white now we're gonna try to get one white side, and it has to be white, not any other color. So, what we want to do now is we get this white, and we have a white here, so we want to find another white and try to connect it with that white. Yeah, so once you've done that, you just want to keep connecting the whites. Yeah, so keep connecting the whites. So yeah, so once you then you want to try to get two pairs of white together like that. And then once you do that, you find another white, connect it, so it'll look something like that. Then you want to find your last white, and hold on a sec. Sorry, this is not part of the video. Yeah, so once you get your your 1, 2, 3 whites in, you want to get your one white right, kind of like this, near the spot where you want it to go. And once you do that, you want to turn the white this way, and then turn this down, and then turn the white this way again, so it will make this little pair. Then you just kind of turn it up, and boom, you got one whole side. And when you go along the top layer, there should be only 2 match in. And it should be either 2 reds, 2 yellows, 2 blues, 2 greens, but not 2 whites, because we already have one white side. And but if your 2x2 does not have 2 pairs on the top layer, this is the whole top layer. This is the whole top layer right here. And if it doesn't have 2 pairs, then you're gonna try. Then you have to scramble up the whole side again and try to do it again. So now that you have the 2 pairs, you have to face it away from you, and the white has to be facing up. What you want to do now is you want to do this: right inverted, down, right, left, down inverted, left inverted, right inverted, down, right. Now we have the whole first layer solved, because look, each side of the first layer is a pair: white, orange and orange, green and green, red and red, blue and blue. So now what you want to do is get the white and turn it upside down so it will be facing the floor or the table. And it doesn't matter which side that you start on. So, for example, my favorite color is green, so I would start on the green side. Yeah, so then you want to switch onto the green side. That will have 2 green on the bottom. And then you want to follow this algorithm and to get 2 other sides. So then this is the second step. You'll get 2 other sides, and then you'll proceed to the final step. So then you may have to do this algorithm multiple times until you get it, but in the end it all turns out and you wouldn't have messed up this white side. So here it goes. It's going to be right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, and then right inverted. It didn't work, so you have to do it again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Didn't work, so you have to do it again. Or hold on a second. Yeah, so you have to do it again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Didn't work, so you have to do it again. And once you tried it 3 times on the same color on the bottom side, and it still doesn't work, you may have to switch to another color, like red or blue or orange. So my second favorite color is red. So I'm going to go with red. Do the same algorithm. So it'll be right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Didn't work. Have to do it again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Didn't work, so you have to do it again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Didn't work, so let's do it one more time. Then if this doesn't work, you have to switch to another side. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Didn't work, so let's switch to another side. Orange. Let's try orange. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Ooh! Yay! Okay. So, okay. So if you find 2 matching colors up here, like white, orange, and orange, then you may want to stop. But if you have 2 matching colors, yellow and yellow, you may want to repeat the algorithm again. For if it's yellow and yellow, it will not really count. So if it's white and white, you want to connect it to the 2 matching whites down there. And you should have red, white, and orange. That's your first 3 done. So what you want to do is face the middle white away from you. So you have a color on the top. It doesn't have to be red or orange. It could be any color. But you want to have the red on top and the orange on bottom. And you want to have the white facing away from you. And this is the final step. And if you follow this algorithm, you'll solve the cube completely. But same with the last step, you may have to do it multiple times until you get solve the cube. So this is the algorithm. It's gonna be right inverted, front. See, front is the front side. So right inverted, front, right inverted, back twice, right, front inverted, right inverted, back twice, right twice, and then up inverted. And if it didn't work, you have to do it again. So face the white away from you, and you do the same thing. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back twice, right front inverted, right inverted, back twice, right twice, and congrats, because up inverted, and you just solved your first Rubik's Cube. It's done. You have all the sides, red and orange. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, because I have posted a fun video that you might want to watch. So if you subscribe, you may want to watch that video. So thanks for watching.